The tank is something that no ground military operation can do without for almost 2 centuries. A lot of time has passed since the invention of the tank. A lot of things have been changed and improved, but this did not in any way affect the essence of the tank and its purpose on the battlefield. This is the type of technique that is used in military conflicts to achieve tactical victories. Of course, now every advanced and developed country has established the production of its own tanks. All of them differ in their characteristics and appearance, in the type of armor, and in the caliber of the main weapon. Some tanks have amazing cross-country ability, others have incredible armor to meet enemy tanks head-on. What models are considered the most advanced today? Find out in our video. We present to your attention the rating of the best tanks. Also, for the most curious, our video will present the concepts of the tank of the future, which will soon surprise the whole world. Our video begins. Challenger 2. This is the main battle tank of the British Armed Forces, the development of which began in the second half of the 80s. In fact, this combat vehicle is a deep modernization of the Challenger tank, which was adopted by the British Army in the early 80s. In addition, the Challenger 2 is in service with the Omani Army. It is armed with a 120mm rifled cannon with a chrome-plated bore. The tank is equipped with a 1200 horsepower engine and a hydro-mechanical transmission that provides 6 forward and 2 reverse gears, thanks to which the tank can reach a maximum speed of 36 miles per hour on the highway and 24 miles per hour on rough terrain. Merkava Mark IV. The combat vehicle is designed and manufactured in Israel. The tank entered service in 2004. It was equipped with a new 1500 horsepower diesel engine and a 5-speed transmission. The shape of the turret has changed significantly due to the new configuration of the armor modules. The main booking has also been strengthened. A new 120mm gun was installed on the Merkava Mark IV, which withstands the higher pressure of the powder gases. An automatic loader is located in the turret niche, which houses 10 shells. The maximum speed that this tank is capable of developing is 39 miles per hour on a paved road and 34 miles per hour off-road. M1A2 Abrams. It is a fundamentally new modification of the tank, work on which began in the early 90s. Since the first Abrams appeared, many technologies have advanced far ahead. One of the reasons for the creation of the M1A2 Abrams was the appearance of the new German Leopard 2 tank. The M1A2 Abrams is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon. The tank is equipped with a gas turbine engine with a capacity of 1500 horsepower. The transmission is automatic, provides 4 speeds forward and 2 reverse. It can reach a maximum speed of 42 miles per hour on the highway and up to 29 miles per hour on rough terrain. T-90AM. This combat vehicle is a modernization of the T-90A tank, which is in service with the Russian Army. A feature of the T-90AM was the replacement of the old turret with a new combat module, which is equipped with an improved fire control system. An updated 125mm gun was installed on the T-90AM. In addition to the main engine with a capacity of 1,130 horsepower, the tank is also equipped with an auxiliary diesel generator set, which is necessary to power the systems when the main engine is turned off. This solution significantly reduces fuel consumption and also reduces the tank's IR signature. The maximum speed of the T-90AM tank is 40 to 43 miles per hour on the highway and 27 miles per hour off-road. Type 90. The main Type 90 tank for the Japanese military forces has been developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries since 1976 to replace the earlier Type 61 and Type 74 tanks. Prototypes of the tank appeared in 1985, but development was completed only in 1989. Stabilized in 2 planes, 120mm, the German smoothbore gun, licensed in Japan, is unified with all types of shells produced in Germany and the United States. Installed on the tank, a 10-cylinder 2-stroke V-shaped liquid-cooled turbo diesel with a capacity of 1,500 horsepower allows a 50-ton combat vehicle to reach a speed of 43 miles per hour on a paved road and 27 miles per hour on an off-road. Oplot. Oplot is a Ukrainian main battle tank developed by the Kharkov Mechanical Engineering Design Bureau. The tank has a classic layout with a control compartment in the frontal part, a fighting compartment in the middle, and an engine transmission compartment in the aft part. The main armament of the tank is a 125mm smoothbore gun, which has a barrel length of 48 calibers and is equipped with a conveyor-type automatic loader. The tank is equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine with a volume of 3 gallons and a capacity of 1,200 horsepower, a planetary gearbox with automatic gear shifting, has 7 forward and 5 reverse gears. The maximum speed of the tank is 43 miles per hour when driving on the highway and 27 miles per hour on rough terrain. K2 Black Panther. This is a new generation South Korean battle tank. The vehicle was developed by the South Korean Defense Development Agency. The new tank is equipped with a 120mm smoothbore cannon with a barrel length of 21 feet and an automatic loading mechanism. There is also a coaxial 7.62mm cannon and a 12.7mm machine gun mounted on the turret roof. The K2 Black Panther uses a new power transmission unit with a 1500 horsepower diesel engine and an automatic 5-speed transmission. Additionally, the tank is equipped with a 400 horsepower gas turbine unit, which ensures the operation of the generator and power supply of the tank's electrical equipment when the main engine is off. The tank is capable of reaching a maximum speed when driving 43 miles per hour on the highway and 31 miles per hour off-road. AMX-56 Leclerc. The French AMX-56 Leclerc battle tank has gained a reputation as one of the most sophisticated and technologically advanced in the world, as it has a large amount of modern electronics under its armor. The Leclerc received a familiar body with a control compartment and a driver mechanic in the front, a combat in the middle, and a motor transmission in the back. Since the French engineers were tasked with creating a tank superior to their competitors, a smoothbore 120mm gun with a .52 caliber barrel was created. Shells from the Abrams and Leopard 2 tanks are suitable for it, but the muzzle velocity is higher and reaches 5,741 feet per second. Despite these characteristics, provision is made for the installation of a 140mm cannon if necessary. Powered by a 1500 horsepower V8 diesel engine, the AMX-56 Leclerc is capable of accelerating to 44 miles per hour on the highway and 31 miles per hour on rough terrain. Leopard 2A7 Plus. The updated tank is optimized for use both in conventional combat operations and for operations in urban conditions. The Leopard 2A7 Plus is an upgrade of the Leopard 2A6 tank, armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun with a barrel length of 55 calibers. The German vehicle was made according to the classical scheme with a control compartment in the front of the vehicle and an engine located at the stern, the fighting compartment with a turret located in the center of the vehicle. The power compartment is located in the aft part. It contains the engine and transmission. The V-shaped diesel engine, with 12 cylinders, is located along the body of the machine and is liquid-cooled, turbocharged, and 1500 horsepower. The maximum speed that the Leopard 2A7 Plus can reach is 44 miles per hour on the highway and 27 miles per hour off-road. T-14. The T-14 is the newest Russian battle tank with an uninhabited turret based on the Armata Universal Tracked platform. This tank was presented to the public at the Victory Parade in 2015. As part of the State Armament Program, an order has been placed for the production of 2,300 T-14 tanks until 2025. The T-14 is equipped with 4th-generation dynamic armor, capable of repelling a shot from handheld anti-tank grenade launchers with a probability of 95%, as well as destroying modern sub-caliber anti-tank shells, even those that hit the side of a tank. The first examples of the tank were equipped with a 125mm smoothbore cannon, which was able to fire on the move. The engine, with an automatic transmission with variable power, from 1200 to 1800 horsepower, provides speed up to 55 miles per hour on the highway and up to 37 miles per hour on rough terrain. Now, it's time to learn about the tank of the future. The United States Army Ground Transportation Systems Center at Fort Benning has presented concept images of the optionally manned tank. The first of the vehicles shown has a mass of 54 tons, and its main weapon should be a 120mm cannon. The tank will also receive 7.62 and 12.7mm machine guns. The tower of the concept resembles the tower of the Israeli tank Merkava, shifted to the rear of the combat vehicle. The second option is the larger one. Tank weight is 59 tons. The vehicle can be equipped with a fundamentally new gun of a larger caliber, which will significantly increase the firepower. One of the important design features is a large and rather long tower. The third variant, with a combat weight of 64 tons, may become even larger. In the shape of the turret, the vehicle resembles the French Leclerc main battle tank. High combat power, as in the second case, can be facilitated by a weapon of increased caliber. The presented samples will not necessarily be embodied in metal. They simply demonstrate the current direction of development of the armored forces of the US Army. Probably, a real American tank of the future will be significantly different from the images presented by the Center for Ground Transportation Systems. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which tank did you like the most, and what do you think is the most suitable for use in the Army? Leave your answers in the comments. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to be the first to know when a new video is released. Thanks for watching. See you!